Okay, common problem here is after you've washed your car, especially, or if there's heavy rain, in the fuel filler cap, you get water that builds up. Now in this case, you can see it's got some of the cleaning fluid that I used. Now in order to clear this out, over here, you just have to put your finger. Just keep putting your finger to unblock. Can't get my finger in there. There. It's not that easy, but there. So now you can see just that little drain there. So if you push your finger into it and then push it out, then it creates a vacuum, and then that vacuum empties it. Obviously you don't want to get water in here because it can get in your fuel tank. So that's a really easy method on how to just keep this problem away, and it's a common problem. It's just the way that, as you can see, the way they put the fuel filler cap on top like this. Done.